Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to use the HMRC app. Now if you don't have an account already or don't know your account details, you will need to go ahead and get your government gateway ID. And for you to do that, we have a video for you on how to open your HMRC online account. So go ahead and check out that video first before proceeding to this one. Now, once that you have watched that video, this will assume that you already have your account and you know your login details. Now go ahead and open up the HMRC app right here. This will go ahead and allow you to explore all of the tax payments or tax codes, and as well as your different national insurance number, or also this is where you're able to go ahead and calculate your unique tax reference, where you can go ahead and register for your self-assessment. So this can be for everyone who is employed and is paying some form of tax, whether via unemployment or a self-employment. Now within the HMRC app, one of the main important things that you can go ahead and do is to calculate or figure out how much you are going to earn per month. On this section, you can go ahead and see that in your PAYE or your pay as you earn, where you can go ahead and see your current payment and how much estimate the tax will be deducted, as well as your other things like your national insurance and your pension or any form of student loan that you have. You can also take a look at your employment history right here, as well as figuring out what your tax code is. Now, if you are here for some form of self-assessment, meaning that you are self-employed, or you have your own employment limited, then you can go ahead and register for this in here. There are also other options, which are your tax credits, any child benefit that you may receive, as well as information on how to tell a friend about Help to Save, and tax calculator, national insurance, state pension, and your annual tax summary. Now some of these links will direct you straight into the website themselves. So say for example the annual tax summary, go ahead and click on this. This will open up the tax.service.gov.uk, where you can get some more information in terms of which tax year you want to view. And there you go. So this app will allow you to take a look at all of your monthly income, any deductions, any form of taxes, and where or how your money is being used for the government. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.